This design is perfect if you want something soft and cheerful. The yellow base makes it bright, and the blue edges add a calm contrast. You can easily make this using basic stitches and a simple border design. This one looks more elegant and soft. The combination of blue and pink gives a very peaceful feel. Adding beads and a small bow makes it look more decorative without extra cost. This small basket is perfect for tiny spaces. You can use it for keys or small accessories. The red and white pattern makes it look fun and eye-catching. If you want a more premium look, this design is perfect. Using neutral and soft colors gives it a luxury feel. Even simple stitches can look expensive with the right color choice. This design is great for baby rooms. The soft colors make it look calm and safe. You can use it to store baby items like toys or clothes. This one is perfect if you like colorful designs. Using leftover yarn, you can create a fun rainbow look. It's a great way to decorate your room without spending extra money. This design is perfect for organizing your daily essentials. The soft pink and cream colors make it look clean and calming. You can create different compartments to keep everything neat and easy to find. If you love a soft and girly look, this all pink design is perfect. It keeps your vanity clean while adding a cute touch. Even simple crochet patterns can look beautiful in one color theme. This set is perfect for baby care items. You can keep everything in one place, neat and organized. Soft colors make it safe and soothing for nursery spaces. This design uses simple granny squares joined together. Each square can be made in different pastel colors to create a soft and cozy look. It's a great way to use leftover yarn and still make something beautiful. This design is more classic and elegant. Using a single cream color gives it a vintage feel. The lace border adds detail without making it complicated. If you like bold colors, this design is perfect. You can mix different shades to create a fun and lively look. It's a creative way to make your basket stand out. This design feels soft and relaxing. Pastel colors with floral patterns give a very calming vibe. Perfect for decorating your home in a simple way. This design is perfect for a modern home. Neutral colors make it look clean and stylish. It's simple, but still very beautiful. You can also use this basket as a gift idea. Just fill it with small items, and it becomes a beautiful handmade present. Simple effort, but very special. Soft lavender vibes and every stitch handmade beauty that feels like a dream. Fresh like spring, soft like clouds, crochet art that brightens your space. Sunshine captured in every stitch, a basket full of happiness. Delicate, soft, and full of love. Perfect handmade charm for your home. Calm like the sky, soft like yarn crochet that soothes your soul. Blossoms that never fade, handmade dreams in yarn. Colors woven with joy, crochet that makes you smile. A touch of vintage beauty, crochet that feels timeless. Soft tones, cozy vibes, perfect for every space. Try this simple idea and make your home beautiful on a budget.